Kombucha. That effervescent, dance on your taste buds, sweetly tangy concoction that's become an omnipresent sensation. It's not just a drink, it's practically a lifestyle. You find it at every corner, the bodega, the grocery store, that fancy restaurant, that dive bar. It's on tap, it's on delivery. Would you believe it's been a centuries-old tradition? Some aficionados even call it the elixir of life. An elixir that's not just confined to the hands of commercial giants, but one you can craft in the comfort of your own home. And here's a fun fact. You don't have to be a wizard to brew it. But let's be real. The current options for brewing at home, well, they're a bit underwhelming, to put it mildly. Introducing KOMBU, a purpose-built solution for crafting your own kombucha, featuring dual-stage fermentation and a compact and efficient footprint. A first-of-its-kind device for more consistent and better brews. Dive into the exciting world of infusing your booch with a never-ending array of flavors. Let your creative impulses run wild as you embark on a journey of taste exploration. You might wonder why step aboard this kombucha journey. Well, aside from being a proud addition to your countertop, it's a testament to embracing fermented fare. A gateway to better well-being. The benefits are aplenty. Probiotics, antioxidants, polyphenols, all wrapped up in a package that's low in sugar. A healthy soda, if you will, that's genuinely good for you. Best of all, brewing your booch costs pennies on the dollar. And it's always accessible. So let's pour a glass. Here's to an experience. A journey to better health. One sip at a time. Better health through fermented foods. Go with your gut.